Hey everybody, it's Jane from Chalk Mercantile and Surface Anthology. Hope you guys are doing well. Can you believe it's the day before Thanksgiving? I cannot. But I'm here. The little DIY I'm going to show you is how I am going to apply a whitewash to the Christmas tree that I've been making with iron orchid molds and this paper mache cone. But first I have some updates, some news, what I'm doing for Black Friday and all that good stuff. So for Black Friday, I am offering free shipping on any orders in the United States. So anything you order, you will get free shipping. Orders that are $75 and up, along with the free shipping, you'll be getting 3 ounces of German glass glitter. So, in these different colors, and you know I love it. It's gorgeous, and it comes in these little glass vials with a cork top. And if you don't use it, this would be a great gift for a friend who crafts. So you'll get the free shipping, get a gift for yourself, and something for somebody else, as long as you spend $75 and over to get the German glass glitters. The other thing that I did is I added a new ornament kit, Christmas ornament kit one-off. So you don't have to join the Merry Makers, but you can get kits on their own. They are more expensive. Obviously, one of the benefits of being a Merry Maker is that you get a discount, or it's less expensive when you are a subscriber. But I just listed the Iron Orchid along with some other ones. So when you go to Chalk Mercantile, you'll see them. The Iron Orchid Cameos mold ornament. So you'll get 3 of these tags and a full-size mold and a full-size clay. So you'll be able to make a lot more. And everything you get with the kit is listed right there. So if you go to, for all of these promos I just listed, chalkmercantile.com, if you want to check out the workshops, just click on workshops, and you click on the virtual workshop, and you'll see these kits. And you can use the promo code and get free shipping on it. So that's another plus. I wanted to show off, let me put these over here, my gather sign that I did with Miss Mustard Seed Milk Paint. This is for a tutorial I did, a milk paint tutorial or demo for my friend Tammy in her group Flipping Furniture. So it was a lot of fun. And my Surface Anthology members got this as a bonus this month. But I love milk paint, and I just wanted to show you guys, this is why I love milk paint, because you can make these really beautiful, authentic finishes. And this is on a piece of plywood. So that's how versatile it is. For those of you that are interested in the Surface Anthology membership, and that's all about paint finishes, diving deep into them, milk paint, chalk paint, lime paint, you name it, all kinds of different mediums. I am offering a bonus for that if you join, and that is a bonus workshop, and you'll get that in December if you join in November. So for that, for the Merry Makers box and Surface Anthology membership, go to surfaceanthology.com. For everything else I talked about, go to chalkmercantile.com. All right, let's see. Oh, and on Chalk Mercantile, I got a lot of Iron Orchid in restocked. So I ordered as much as I could, and a lot of that has come in. So when you go there, make sure you check. Something that might have been out of stock will be in stock. And that is it, you guys. So now let me show you, put my little sign away, how to do a wash. For something like this, I love doing a wash because it's going to bring out all of the detail in the molds. You'll remember, there goes my sign. You'll remember this tree that I showed you where I just used the molds at the bottom and I used metallic paint. And this paint is really beautiful. It's the Metallico by Authentico, and that is available at the website. And I just hit the tops of the molds. This time I want to do a wash that's going to go between and down into the mold. So first thing we have to do is make a wash, and I'm just using some white chalk paint and some water. My water isn't terribly clean because I've been cleaning my brush and I've been painting all day today. So make sure yours is nice and clean. And you just mix that up. And I'm using, I think I'm going to get a larger brush. First I'm going to test it and see if I like. Yes, perfect. So I'm going to grab a larger brush. And I'm just using a natural bristle artist brush for this. And I'm going to start at the top, and this gets messy, so prepare yourself. And I'm just going to paint on my wash. This is a lot of fun, and it's great to do with kids because you can't mess it up. And I love, love, love like this icy blue with white. It's just really beautiful. And like I've been saying about this tree all along, it's kind of got a Wedgwood feel to me. The old Wedgwood, I think it's called Jasperware. I have yet to look that up. And just make sure you've got it all covered. And of course it's gonna drip down. I'll lift that up, and I'm going to let that drip a little bit. Of course, you're looking at it from the top. I'm going to grab a paper towel, and let's see if I could get my hand inside here. Yeah. So there we go. And I'm just going to tap away so the high points get a little bit more exposed. You could also, see if this works, take a clean brush. No, that just adds more water. I don't want to really reactivate the blue paint underneath, so I'm just being super delicate with it. And of course you could do this with green, with red, would be beautiful. You could use really, really rich colors. And there it is, it's still wet. Now what I'm gonna do is just hit it with a blow dryer. Now for all you milk paint lovers, there's no reason you can't do this technique in milk paint. But look at how beautiful that is. I hope it's not getting too um, I hope the light isn't too bright on it, but it's a really, really delicate look. And it just gives this kind of icy, really pretty porcelain-like look. And what I'm gonna do when this is dry and when I get more glitter in, because I'm almost out of the German glass glitter, but the crystal, the one that's clear, I am gonna cover this whole thing in glitter because I want it to be really icy. And then I'm gonna make 3 of them that I could put together as a group. I might cut off the bottom so it's not as, so they're different heights. So that's it, you guys. Give it a shot. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving, which is tomorrow. I'm going to go make a pan of lasagna for tomorrow that I can then put in the oven. I've started my stuffing, which I do from scratch. I've got a whole bunch of stuff that I'm making. I just love cooking. And my little helper's coming over. My 3-year-old grandson, Mateo, he's going to come over and help Grandma. And I might have him help me with some painting, which he really loves. So remember the promos. I will actually, when I'm done with this, I'll go back in because most of the time my lives are watched in replay. And I will put the links in the comments for everything I mentioned. Just remember the promo code is THANKFUL, all caps, at chalkmercantile.com. That gives you free shipping on all orders, no matter what size, through to Sunday at midnight. And of course, all the other goodies I mentioned will be in the replay. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Have a safe and wonderful holiday. See you soon.